Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back for another video in the View into Huck's World. Today we got Roma in the building, and it's been a very long time since we had this guy in the house. And this is a very nice casual watch face. It's minimalistic and it looks very nice for a everyday watch face. Now, for the work week, this is the perfect watch face to put on right now today. And even if you're going to be out casually about over the weekend, this is still a nice look by Roma. I thought he did a good job. The name of the watch face is called ROL204. Now, of course, in the AOD mode, you'll be able to see your time, your info at a glance with no problem. You got these fun looking analog hands that are very colorful. And you're going to be able to go into things like your settings, weather. You're going to be able to go into your messages. You also are going to be able to customize your color background theme, right? Which is nice. Now you get this 5 down here that just simply, I believe, just let you know that once you get there, it's 5 o'clock. It's going on 4 o'clock in my area right now. But let's check this out, right? Now, the watch face is inactive. So if I need to go into my weather with a single tap, I can go into it. Same thing for my messages, my settings. I can go into my step information as well, which most of you all look for out of a watch face, which I thought was very nice. I like that you got your battery meter down at the bottom, which is going to let you know how much battery time you have left. And if I double tap here, tap hard enough, and it's going to change to the different colors that this watch face has to offer. And all the colors look nice. Again, it's a simple, fun watch face for an everyday wear. But the question is, at the end of the day, you all, what do you all think? Is this watch face worth the download if the price is right? Or are you going to leave this one right where it's at? All right, you all, that's going to be the end of the video. I want to thank everybody who has been supporting the channel, but I also want to thank more people for supporting my music channel. If you haven't checked it out yet, the link will be in the description box down below if you want to support the channel. And if you want to buy me coffee, that link is down below as well. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Continue to be safe out there. COVID is still on the rise. And I'm going to see you all at the next video after you hit the like button, after you smash the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Enjoy life. Have some fun, you all. And remember, please be safe.